arm bolts get even more stuck than this, and then you try and put a punch in through the center, and you end up spreading it out, and you can never get it out. Sorry I left you guys in the dark for a second. I was literally in the dark because I'm running my air compressor and the whole shop in here from a extension cord from the house. So I can't run that and have lights on at the same time. And I have that brand new 25-foot hose under there, but it's so cold out that it doesn't want to unravel. So I grabbed this air hose that I got from Harbor Freight that I left outside for like 4 summers now. It has like indentation in it, like it's beveled out inside. You do not want to do it because this point will just go in, it will keep going in, and then that will expand the threads on it, and I don't have to. It's just a regular bolt. This air goes. This was actually a flea market find I got with the needle scaler attachment. I got it for like, I think $8 I have the dude down for. That's back when the Mansfield swap meets were around and they were awesome. At least now I can shoot her into. There she blows. Yeah, baby. Almost there. Alright, there we go. I think that's probably how I'm going to do it. I don't have like any knowledge on these fucking things. There we go. Some jism on there. Okay, so now that I got that bolt out, there's this cap, and there is a bearing that is in here. And to take that out from that, you just do this, and that's all set. So now I'm just going to take that computer off. I think these come off somehow. I'll sand down the frame, paint it. This, I'm just curious why it's so tough getting off. It's like, whatever. Clean the bearings, grease them up, and that should be all set. So this goes here, like that. Like that, and this was the nut. I could actually probably still use this now that I can get a socket on it. Something like that. Okay. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so the rear axle, same thing. I'm just going to keep all these little sleeves, all this stuff that needs to be greased and whatever. One of these are actually broken. I'm sure once I tighten it, it will work fine. I gotta clean up. I love using buckets because I can just throw all the shit in here and I don't have to worry about it. Okay. So these have oil in the fork, so you don't want to leave them on the ground or else you'll end up with a spot of oil on the ground like I do. So I love having the rug on the ground too because makes it nice. You're crawling around on the ground. I gotta take this off. It's like the computer for the coil, I think. I don't really know. Like I said, I don't know much about these. Okay, that. I will put bolts back and stuff like that where I think I know where they went. Most of the time it's pretty accurate, but sometimes I'm wrong. Okay, so we got the frame all set. Pretty much that's all set. Yeah, that wasn't bad. Even taking the motor out, I know I didn't take a video of that. I'm going to be recording everything from now on. Yeah, so that's that. I gotta pull this hose clamp off, get this battery tray off because it's just got like one bolt holding it on. I don't really know what's going on with that, but anyways, yeah, so I think I'm gonna go travel outside because the weather has gone a little bit better today, and I might go work on my Nova for a little bit.